everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a collab video. I am collabing with Carla at Real Chicks TV, and she had asked me if I would do a collab with her, and we're doing a fall or autumn look. And since it is the day before Halloween, I decided to wear a little headband because, you know what, if I can't wear a headband now like this, when can I wear it? Actually, I think I could wear this one to a wedding or maybe the Kentucky Derby. It's not so Halloween, but anyway. So I want to thank Carla from the bottom of my heart for reaching out and asking me to collab. She is a wonderful person. She is so generous. She is so kind. She is so beautiful. And I'm tearing up. Oh my gosh. But yeah, she is great. And if you happen to not know who she is, which I would think if you watch my channel, you probably know who she is. But if you happen to not, please, there's a link down below. Go check out her video. And if you have come here from her, I appreciate it. Hey, welcome everybody, and thanks for stopping by. So if you want to see how I did this look, just stay tuned. I did use my new Lunar Beauty Moon Spell palette. And this is it. And I used the neutral row in the middle. Yeah, so no brights here, but they're also beautiful. So I thought I would do my look using these shadows to show you that this is not just a Halloween palette. This is an anytime palette. So if you want to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Thank y'all, that's it. That's my look. All I did was put on some mascara. Didn't even use liner today. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you are new to my channel, please please subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please go over and check out Real Chicks TV. Link is down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.